Are you ready to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level? With remote work becoming more prevalent, mastering the art of working remotely is essential for success in the affiliate marketing industry. But how can you dominate the world of affiliate marketing while working remotely? Let's find out. First, let's talk about creating a productive work environment. Make sure you have a dedicated workspace that is comfortable and free from distractions. This will help you stay focused and maximize your productivity. Next, let's discuss the importance of time management. Set clear goals and establish a schedule that works for you. Break down your tasks into manageable chunks and prioritize them accordingly. By managing your time effectively, you'll be able to accomplish more and achieve affiliate marketing domination. Now let's dive into the power of communication. Staying connected with your affiliate partners and clients is vital in establishing strong relationships. Utilize email, messaging apps, and video calls to keep in touch and collaborate effectively. Effective communication will help you build trust and strengthen your affiliate marketing empire. The next key element is continuous learning. The affiliate marketing industry is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest trends and strategies is crucial. Invest time in learning new skills, attending webinars, and networking with industry experts. Never stop learning, as it will give you the competitive edge for affiliate marketing domination. Lastly, let's talk about self-discipline. Working remotely requires self-motivation and self-discipline. Stay committed to your goals, set boundaries, and hold yourself accountable for your work. By mastering self-discipline, you'll be able to unleash your full potential and dominate the affiliate marketing landscape. So, are you ready to master remote work for affiliate marketing domination? Follow these steps, and soon you'll be on your way to achieving unprecedented success in the world of affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights.